Now we'll see how to use location in Android. So you can actually implement the location listener and then they create a private location manager, and then you can get the manager by casting this thing into location manager, that is get system service, and you can pass context.location service as an argument. Then you can make a new location with any variable name, like I have taken known location is equal to manager.get last known location location manager.gps provider. So it will take actually GPS provider, so it will take the last known GPS location here. Also you need to check that you ensure these location permissions to actually access locations on the Android devices. Then you can take any string and then you can get the value of known location.get latitude to get the latitude of last known location, and location.get longitude. This get longitude and get latitude methods can be applied to any location object that you get. Also you can you run this loop to check whether there is an error or the all permissions are correct or not. So there is activity compile.check cells permission, then you pass the context, then you take manifest of permission.access find location, that's the GPS location, should not be equal to permission manager or permission granted, and you have to also check that the permission is given properly. If these two conditions any of them is also false, then it will result in an error. And then you can also request location updates by calling the request location updates with the first parameter as the provider. So basically this is a GPS provider and a network provider. So here I am using GPS provider as a location by getting it from location manager GPS provider. Then I am passing the time in milliseconds. Now I am passing the minimum distance for it to locate to me, and the last argument is the context. You must also override and implement these four basic methods. First is the on location change method, which is run by the location manager every time the location is changed. And there's the on provider disable method. Every time the user disables a particular provider like the GPS provider or the network provider, this function is invoked with the string provider. And similarly on location changed will give you a location in it passed as an argument, and you can use the get latitude get longitude methods to get them accordingly. You may also use the on provider enable and on status change methods to handle situations accordingly. This was all about handling location in your Android app. Now we'll see some more aspects of Android programming.